Everyone meet Christine. Christine, meet everyone. Obviously what I'm referring to is Tropical Storm Christine. And that's what we're experiencing right now today is Tropical Storm Christine. She started last night kind of pounding on the windows. It was pretty windy. And then here today we've been kind of watching it increase in intensity as the day goes on. Right now it's still like southwest of us, the eye of the storm that is, but it's creeping its way towards us pretty rapidly. By 8 p.m. tonight it's supposed to make landfall, and yeah, it's not a super typhoon. And at this point, it's not even a typhoon, but what makes it large in scope is that it is enormous. It's huge, and it encapsulates the whole island of Luzon and more, even going down south towards the Visayas and I think even northern Mindanao, if I'm not mistaken. So we're kind of in the beginning stages then, I guess you could say. Here, I'll just kind of loop this around and walk around the yard and kind of show you what's going on out here. All schools are closed today, probably tomorrow as well, I would imagine, because that's when things are really going to get crazy, I think. Like I said, 8 p.m. tonight is when the eye of the storm, according to the map, the eye of the storm should be hitting the eastern Luzon. So we shall see. But we're in Alaminos City, obviously, and we're getting a good dose of it. We're right in the path. I think the eye goes just over us to the north, but yeah, we're probably gonna get hit pretty good. So these are the banana trees. We were out here yesterday cutting the banana leaves to allow the wind to blow through here and not have leaves flying everywhere. So we took the banana leaves down yesterday, cut them down. Let's walk around here, kind of see what's going on. You're gonna watch out for dog poo-poo. Oh shit, it's muddy back here. I think I'll just kind of stay up on the terrace here, or the concrete slab. So yeah, it's really not that bad right at the moment. So the winds are very gusty. It'll calm down like it is right now, and then all of a sudden, boom, the wind will fly through here and all the doors will be slamming open and shut, and things get crazy for a few minutes or a few seconds, whatever, and then it'll die back down and it'll come back again. So we're just trying to secure things as much as possible. Anything that we think might become a flying projectile, and you know, we've heard some loud. We were sitting inside the house earlier. We heard some loud banging. So there's a couple things that were kind of falling over, but we'll probably have the dogs in the house when things pick up, so they don't get scared. So yeah, like I said, all the kids are home from school. We've already had 2 brownouts this morning, 2 short ones. The electricity went out, and yeah, that kind of stuff happens. It's what you expect when you're living in the Philippines. You know, get these strong winds and big storms, and you know, things happen. So, yep. Christine, Tropical Storm Christine. All right, guys. You ready? Ready for a big storm? So what do you think, hon? Those winds are picking up, huh?
Yeah, but the sun is out. There's a bit of sunshine around here.
Damn, look at this.
Scary. Those eucalyptus trees are really...
Well, I'm sure the power will go off a few more times.
I hope not.
I'm sure it will. Got to be ready for that.
As expected.
We got everything pulled up. All the bamboo benches and the exercise bikes. I think we're set for the big haul, for the long haul. We got plants already tipped over again. We picked them up earlier. Yep. Crazy Christine.
She's everywhere.
She's a bitch, man.
Visayas and Luzon.
Yeah, she's huge. Really big. Okay, that's about it for this video, guys. It's about 11 minutes past noon here on day one. It's still kind of mellow with gusty winds. School's closed. A couple brownouts, loud motorcycles. But we'll keep you posted, all right? I only can imagine that it's going to get worse from this point going forward. So we'll make another video. What the hell, right?
Yeah.
So, but for this one, this is kind of like part one, I guess you could say, the beginning. So we'll see how things escalate going forward.
As the typhoon haven't landfall yet.
Yeah, it's not even a.
The entrance here in the Philippine area of responsibility.
Yeah.
It's like before we go, they're already submerged from the rainwater. And as for 11 o'clock here in Pangasinan, our San Roque Dam, they're going to release some water from the dam.
Yeah. We'll see how that one goes. Yeah, I guess they're evacuating homes in Agno.
Agno, yeah.
Because they're going to open up the dam and
along the Agno River, and then some other part of Pangasinan, like Asigan and the rest of the close to the San Roque Dam.
Okay. San Roque Dam? Alright. I'll have to get in there and look and see what's going on with all that, but she was looking at it earlier, and I guess they're going to open up a dam and they're going to let some water flow, and it might turn out to be a mess, but I guess we'll see.
Like what they said, 53 cubic meter
Oof.
every 50 seconds.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's already wreaking havoc on us, and we haven't even started. This isn't even a typhoon yet. It's just a tropical storm, but it's going to turn into a typhoon once it hits. I guess supposedly it's going to turn into a typhoon, and then who knows what the hell happens from that point forward. Everything's so unpredictable when you're in the out in the middle of the Pacific here. Anything could happen at a moment's notice, so you just have to kind of expect the worst, hope for the best, I guess. See how it goes. You know, it's nothing like those folks in Florida and the Carolinas recently went through, I'm sure, but still bad nonetheless. So, well, actually I shouldn't speak too soon. We'll see what happens. So this is it. This is day one of Tropical Storm Christine, and we'll see what happens going forward. See what I mean by these gusty winds? They just kind of pick up and then drop off, and then pick up and drop off. It's kind of a pain in the ass because the doors inside the house start slamming shut and open, and things kind of take on a mind of their own. So yeah, this is it. Tropical Storm Christine, projected to be a typhoon here once we get further into this. So enough said. keep you posted as time goes on. But for now, we're signing off. And we'll catch up with you on the next video. Okay, see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.